let's learn how to convert our improper fractions to mixed fractions. So whenever you have an improper fraction and you are asked to convert it into mixed fraction, you follow the steps provided in this video. Let's take an example. Example: express 3/2 as a mixed fraction. To express this as a mixed fraction, what we have to do is divide 3 by 2, and your number of times it will go becomes your whole number. And what is left, that is the remainder, will be written as your numerator, and then 2 remains our denominator. This is what I mean. That is, you apply this as, first step, let's divide 3 by 2 and then get our remainder. So we have 3 divided by 2. Now, how many times will 2 go in 3? It will go once. Now, when I apply 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 2, I will get 2. Now, let's subtract this. That is, our remainder is 1. This is our remainder. Therefore, our answer becomes 1 whole number, then remainder 1/2. Therefore, 3/2 equals 1 whole number 1/2. Thank you.